laugh. You ready? So we have arrived at Tuning World Bodensee. Not really sure what's going on at the minute. They said it'd be 15 minutes. That was about half hour ago, but we are queued up. Chevy's looking fresh. Booth set up over the other side of the show. We'll get you over there and show you that in a moment. But right now we're about to go head to head in the Tuning World Battle. I think it's called, what's it called? European Showdown. That's what we're part of with an American car. Bit weird, but we're going with it. Gareth has spent half his life trying to clean all the dust off this from Croatia. It's looking pretty fresh. I wish I could clean the tyre treads up, but we don't have a jet wash and we can't use water outside, so we're just going to go with it. I'm up against a Porsche. I don't know, what is that Porsche? 924 Porsche. We're up against a 924 apparently, and we've got the 964 RWB, the carbon Kevlar one, against an S15. Once they're done talking about that, I think we go in. It's like a head-to-head thing. Everyone battles down to the end. I mean, they could cut all this part out, just give me the big trophy, and we'll say we win.
That was good, man.
Oh, yeah! Thank you. Winner. You can't fuck with us.
Did you saw our drive?
Good morning, welcome to day 2. So last night was good. We had a party with our friends over here on the canvas stand. It got absolutely rammed. It finished pretty early actually, but it feels like it went on really late. I'm not sure what time we got back or even how we got back, but we are here bright and fresh and ready to go. We've got another battle over in the European Showdown competition. So I know today we're up against some stiff competition. We're up against the full carbon fibre RWB. I'm not sure how we're going to fare against that one, but I'm going to do my best. So I'm going to get over there, dust down the Chevy, go around it, see if there's any little details we've missed that we can maybe make better, because I think we're going to need all the luck we can get for this battle. Let's go. So we're here for day 3, and what a start it has been already. We've already been up for our first battle. We were the first car against an R34 GTR. We made it. We have made it through to the finals, which are tomorrow, so we're already in the top 8. We spent all day detailing this car yesterday. We went even further. It was good, but there was some dust from that trip to Croatia. Really, we needed to get it up on a ramp, get underneath, but we made it happen. We were in the bed, we were underneath, we have cleaned everything. Inner barrels, backs of wheels, brake calipers, you name it, we've got there. And I think the judges really sort of noticed that and appreciated that we've gone that extra mile for today. The car's looking good, it's getting loads of attention, but today is a lot busier than the other days. The stand's already busy and there's more and more people flooding in. We're through to the finals tomorrow, so we're done here for the day. Tomorrow we'll be back to give that another once over, see if there's anything more we can improve on. Probably a coat of wax for its big finale. But for now, we're going to get to the stand, meet and greet some people, maybe sell some products. Tonight's an after party, so we'll be there. Let's see how we look in the morning.
Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luke, I told him I'm next, shit. Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luke, I told him I'm next, shit. I got a ball, I told them I'm here, I'm not waiting for y'all. They hit my phone, but I ignore the call. I got the drive and I see that they stall. I bought a whip and I paid it in cash. Numbers keep growing like what's on the dash. Drop me the Addy, I pull it the maps. Dressed in a white tee, I bought it a Gap. Hitting the gas, he trailing behind. This in these games, but I stay on my grind. I told my family we all got me fine. Said I'm a star, that's why they all align. Said I don't rob it like all of these guys. I told them all like a million times. Waiting for me, but they know I arrived. What I'm doing to y'all, it should be a crime. I told him, oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luke, I told him I'm next, shit. Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God. God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luke, I told him I'm next, shit.
Just straight behind you.
Fuck, can we sell photographer? Fuck, useless cunt.
They're not happening.
Oh my god.
of UK.